currently there's a nice little pandemic going on in the world. So let's look at something that's been talked about a lot: mask. How about we start with what's in our houses? Let's say like a T-shirt that we don't wear anymore. How about we take our nice scissors, take a piece of that nice old T-shirt, and we use it to make a mask. Now, shout out to Deion Sanders, prime time from back in the day in professional football, for using this nice sleeve on his head when he put on his helmet. But how about now? Let's just use something to block our nose and our mouth that kind of keeps all of our particulate matter, if you want to say, from easily coming in and coming out. You're not gonna be able to find too many masks nowadays, so time to find a nice alternative. T-shirt, you don't wear it, you don't know what's going on with it anymore. Find a use for it. Pair of scissors. There you go. Have a good one.